No, it is not safe to troubleshoot a running blower motor without a multimeter. A blower motor circuit can carry lethal voltages and present wiring faults that are invisible to the naked eye, so always verify live circuits with a properly rated multimeter before touching anything. Start by shutting power at the circuit breaker and lock it out where possible. Then confirm power is off at the motor terminals with the multimeter set to the appropriate voltage range. If the motor must run for a diagnostic test, measure voltage and current from a safe distance using insulated probes and a clamp meter or true root mean square meter when required. Inspect motor wiring and connectors for heat discoloration, melting, or corrosion, because those signs point to high resistance connections that can cause arcing and failure. Check motor bearings and fans by briefly powering and listening for unusual vibration or grinding, but only after physical guards are in place and you are clear of rotating parts. Use personal protective equipment such as safety glasses, insulating gloves rated for the system voltage, and arc flash protection when local procedure identifies a hazard. If you are not trained in electrical diagnostics, hire a qualified technician to perform live testing rather than guessing or using improvised tools. Common mistakes include assuming the breaker off equals 0 voltage, which leads to accidental contact with live conductors. Always confirm with a multimeter at the point of work. Another error is using the wrong tool or meter setting, which can damage equipment or give false readings. Read the meter manual, set the function and range first, and use insulated probes and the correct measurement category rating. A third issue is bypassing safety barriers and working too close to moving parts during tests. Stop the motor before hands-on inspection, and if a running test is unavoidable, keep distance. Use remote probes and secure guards. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare project types and typical budgets. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and our site includes an active discussion community where we share tips and practical advice.